Hello? Is someone there?
Yes, this is Officer Sarver with Arnold Police Department.
Hi. What can I help you with? Yeah, are you there?
Yes, I just chased the subject around your house, and I was making sure he wouldn't have came in here. Do you guys have any kids?
No, we don't have any kids.
And is there any younger adults that stay here?
It's just me and my husband. We both work during the day.
Okay.
Do I need to come home?
Okay, well, thank you. I appreciate it. No, you're fine.
All right,
well,
I'm
if you
sorry,
could check, see if your camera picked up any motion. We're looking for a subject in a red T-shirt.
A red T-shirt? Okay, give me a second.
Yep.
He's in my trash can. He's in my dumpster in my backyard. He's in my trash can by my garage. Because the cops are at my front door. There's a...
Hey! Open that lid! Now, I know you're in the lid. Get out! Fuck out. You kidding me? Put your hands behind you. Too low! Keep going! Take his ass!
No big deal. Yeah, this is live. This is live right here. Yeah, they're getting them right now. So I'm watching them.
Try to run again, I'm gonna put a fucking taser in you.
This is what Who's laughing? Wow, that's pretty cool.
That's cool. Call your husband up.
I know.
Well, it is. You're the one that did it. Yeah, I mean, you guys did like.